In today's video, I'm going to give you a lot of information about the best vitamin that can help you a lot if you have menopausal symptoms. Yes, my dear woman, in today's modern world, when you have all of those menopausal symptoms, perfect natural vitamins can help you a lot. Are you struggling with hot flashes, mood swings, water retention, or feeling like menopause is taking over your life? You are not alone. Millions of women face those changes every day. But what if I told you there is a way to ease those symptoms naturally, safely, and with science on your side? Today, I'm sharing with you number one vitamin protocol for menopause. One that has helped thousands of women feel like themselves again. I'm Mario, and over 25 years I support women worldwide right now. In my practice, and of course people all around the world use my natural programs for nutrition and natural remedies for many diseases, but especially today we talk about women and the menopausal symptoms. Why menopause feels so hard? Let's be honest. Menopause is about much more than hot flashes. For many women it feels like their whole body is suddenly out of the control. You may notice sudden weight gain around the belly, restless nights, irritability, anxiety, and that's frustrating, bloated feeling that just won't go away. There really isn't hormonal chaos. Estrogen and progesterone drops. The adrenal glands are forced to pick up the slack. But if your adrenals are already stressed from the years of juggling life, career, family, and everything in between, they simply cannot keep up. This imbalance affects your mood, your energy, your sleep, and even your body holds onto water. But here is the good news. Two specific vitamins can help you a lot. Please try remember this, my dear woman, in today's video. My recommendation is going to be use vitamin B complex. Especially two vitamins are going to play a crucial role in removing all those menopausal symptoms. I'm going to recommend you vitamin B5 and vitamin B6. They can help you bring your system back into balance. They nourish your adrenal glands, smooth out hormonal turbulence, and dramatically reduce menopausal symptoms. Now let's talk about vitamin B5, also known as Pantothenic Acid. This is your adrenal support superstar. Think of your adrenal glands as tiny engines running non-stop to keep your hormones balanced. During menopause, those engines work overtime. Without enough fuel, meaning without enough vitamin B5, they sputter and break down. That is unbelievably important because vitamin B5 is going to help you a lot, especially with your adrenal glands. And everyone who suffers from those mood swings, depression, anxiety, and similar kind of symptoms, vitamin B5 is going to help you a lot. Vitamin B5 is often called the anti-stress vitamin, and for the good reason. It helps your body adapt to emotional ups and downs, reduce irritability, and improves resilience against stress. Women who get enough vitamin B5 often notice they feel calmer, more centered, and less overwhelmed. It also supports the production of hormones that stabilize your mood and energy. When your adrenals are nourished, you wake up with more clarity, better focus, and the less of the crushing fatigue. Therapeutic dose for the real menopausal relief, studies suggested as 100 milligrams 3 times daily with the meals. And it's unbelievably important. Every time when you take into consideration taking a high dose of some kind of vitamins or any kind of natural remedies, please try consult with your health care provider. If you don't do this, my recommendation is going to be a bit higher than is usual because a lot of women, especially in the menopause, lack of those vitamins, and for the short period of time, this is a bit higher dose, but it can help you a lot. Also, that's 300 milligrams per day, higher than basic LDA, but perfectly safe when taken with the food. Now let's talk about vitamin B6 or Pyridoxine to the picture. If you be battling bloating, swollen ankles, or that puffy feeling, B6 is your best friend. Vitamin B6 play a key role in balancing estrogen metabolism and neurotransmitter production. That means it helps you reduce water retention, eases mood swings, and even support better sleep. Many women also find it lessen breast tenderness and PMS-like discomfort that sometimes lingers through the menopause. On the emotional side, B6 boosts serotonin and dopamine, that feel-good chemical in your brain. This translated into fewer mood crashes, less anxiety, and greater sense of well-being. Usually, the recommended dose for those menopausal problems is going to be also a bit higher. Usually, when I recommend to my patients with menopausal problems, I'm going to recommend it 3 times daily, 50 milligrams each time. So that means 150 milligrams a day for the couple weeks. Why high doses matter? You might be wondering why our doses are much higher than standard ones I see on the vitamin bottles. The answer is simple. Your body changes during menopause. Absorption decreases, stress increases, and hormonal shifts demands much more from your system. Those therapeutic doses have been shown to quickly restore the balance, reduce hot flashes, water retention, and bring back stable energy. Many women notice improvement in just 2 or 3 weeks, sometimes even sooner, but especially if you take a vitamin B complex, the vitamin B5 and vitamin B6 with the food, this is really going to help you a lot. I'm going to right now recommend you what are the best food sources of those vitamins. For vitamin B5, think avocado, mushrooms, sweet potatoes, chicken, eggs, sunflower seeds, and the whole grains. For the vitamin B6, add salmon, tuna, chicken, chickpeas, bananas, potatoes, and the spinach to your plate. Always take vitamin B vitamins with food for better absorption, and drink plenty of water. If you prefer a simple approach, a high-quality B-complex supplements can cover your bases, while still giving you the higher amounts of vitamin B5 and the vitamin B6. Now let's talk about the safety. Vitamin B5 and vitamin B6 are water-soluble, which means your body uses what it needs and flushes out the rest. That makes them generally safe even in the high doses. That said, start gradually and work up through the time. This means if I recommend you take a little bit higher doses for the 5 or 6 weeks, don't take advanced dose, I don't know, like 300 milligrams of vitamin B once in one day. Start maybe 100 milligrams, maybe next week 200 milligrams, week after that maybe 300 milligrams for a couple of weeks, and see how your mood improves and your menopausal symptom is going to be a lot better. One thing that you notice, your urine may turn a bright yellow, but don't worry, that's completely normal and simply shows your body processing the vitamins. Take them consistently for 8 to 12 weeks, combined with the diet-rich whole foods. Stay hydrated and move your body daily with gentle exercise. Menopause don't have control of your life. With the right nutritional support, you can regain balance, reduce symptoms, and truly feel like yourself again. If you find this helpful, subscribe to more natural menopausal solutions. I'll be making those kind of videos for the probably 7 years, but this is my new channel, Mario Lab Women's Health channel. It's dedicated for you, all of you women. Subscribe and you will regularly receive those kind of information from me. If you want to learn a lot more information about menopause and what can help you a lot, especially about natural remedies, watch my video right here. Thank you for following my dear viewers. See you in the next video. Bye bye.